Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and this happens to be a Friday when I am videoing this, and my husband and I have date night, so he is about ready to go, so I am going to try to hurriedly do this unboxing, and this is some paparazzi stuff. Now, I posted a video. I'm going to try to have posted it yesterday by the time you see this. But when I did my party, I ordered from two different women. One was Cynthia and one was Jen. And this is the stuff from Jen. So look how cute she wrapped it. That's really cute. So Jennifer Walters is her name, and here is her information. I will post it below. At least I will do my best. You can get alert texts by following $5 Frost. That's really cool. So I am really thinking about doing a party. I know I said that before in the last one, but if you guys are interested in, you know, me having a party, let me know, because I really am thinking of hosting a party. There's actually even a part of me that is kind of thinking about maybe starting to sell this. I don't know. Let me know your guys' thoughts. I don't want to take on something else and not give it a good you know, amount of attention, but at the same time, if I can get jewelry that I love this inexpensive, it's amazing. Now, every piece is $5, so that includes the earrings. So look how cute these are. So the earrings and this really long, nice necklace was $5. And this is really pretty. It has little, you know, rhinestones here and then the little rhinestone there. And this is almost a citrine, well, in color. So it looks like, you know, November's birthstone. And it's really long. This is a nice long chain. And yeah, I'm excited. So I'm sorry I'm not showing you guys toward me. I don't know if that's better or not. I did the last one that way. This one I just kind of hurried up and put in here and got started. So looks like I did some gold this time, which is nice because last time I think I got all silver. So here are some little nice gold ball earrings and a nice long necklace that honestly looks like you could maybe even double it and have a tighter necklace if you so choose. But it's really pretty. It has, you know, a thick chain, then it goes into the balls, and then it has three different chains here, and then the balls, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, you know, back up the other way. And I like how it's not totally, it doesn't have to be totally symmetrical. You could wear it like this, or you could wear it totally symmetrical if you wanted to. So that's really pretty. All right, so, oh, one more thing in that bag. And like I said, everything is $5. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. That's very simple but pretty, and it's just little silver and rhinestones. And then I like these earrings. They're kind of fun. Just little chain. Now this looks like it's, okay, holy cow, this is long. I got a lot of long necklaces this time. And they all have an extender on them too. Now, what was I going to say? Something about, oh, I have become sensitive to jewelry in my old age. I don't know what it is, but like my rings will sometimes bother me. Even my wedding band bothers me. Earrings certainly bother me, but I have had a pair of paparazzi earrings in all day and no problem at all. None. Like I can't even tell that they're in, which is fabulous because I can wear sterling silver earrings and they bother me. And these are clearly not that. So, ooh, there's just a couple things in here, but look at this. Oh my gosh. So it's beaded earrings and this beautiful ribbon with, look at this. So this is totally different on both sides, which is kind of cool, even if you married them to, or, you know, put it so that they were at the same place. They are totally different, and that's really cool to me. And, you know, I think it's even meant to be like that, which is pretty cool. And then it has a ribbon necklace, so you can make it whatever length you want. Very nice, very nice. I am really liking that. And I think silver and pearls together is so pretty. So yeah, okay, there you go. And I'm trying to hurry. And here is another lovely piece. Oh my goodness, I really like this one. So there are earrings, and then look at this. So it's kind of a shorter necklace, especially compared to the ones that I've gotten in this group. But look at how cute these are. So those just hang down like that. Yeah, I think it's more like that. And that is just really cute. And I wear a ton of black, so I think that will look really nice with the black turtleneck or whatever, even just a black shirt. Oh, I love it. I have black on today. I might have to wear one of those. Okay, she gave me another card. Ooh, this is pretty. So there are, look how pretty these are. And those are like big, huge rhinestones. Oh, I love it. And then here is the necklace, which is very nice. This seems to be bent though. I don't know. I guess it's supposed to be like that, but it seems like it's bent. I don't know. I guess it's supposed to be because I can't bend it the other way. I don't know. I might have to check on that because that's kind of weird to me. I'm sure I could bend it if I really, really tried, but I don't know if I really, really want to. I guess maybe it depends on how it lays on you. Maybe that's good. Maybe that looks cool when it's laying on you, on your chest or wherever it falls. Huh. I love these earrings. All right, that is cool. And then it looks like I have just one more thing, maybe. Ooh. So these earrings are, earrings are pretty cool. I love bling. And then here is the necklace. Look at that. So it's beautiful. It's a little bit like tribal almost. But I think that would look really cool with some black or black and gray like I have on now. Of course, I have a scarf on right now, so I don't know. A necklace might make the scarf go crazy. I don't know. But that is what I got today, and I am super excited. So I hope that you guys like this stuff. And let me know, again, seriously, if you think that I should have a party and or consider selling this stuff. Would you guys buy? Would you be interested? Is this something that you guys like too? I mean, I don't want to be my own best customer with everything that I sell. But these are so pretty, and $5 a piece. And then shipping is only like $3.99 no matter how much you buy. So that is pretty cool too. I love how they do it, and they all did it the same way. So it's not like, you know, it's not like one of them was cheaper than the other. They all kind of collaborated, I guess. So that's what I got. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.